A robust e-commerce platform serves as the cornerstone of success. It helps you navigate the marketplace, streamline business operations, and gives the ability to surpass customer expectations. But how do you ensure your platform is fully robust to deliver on all these aspects? An effective way is to look for these 6 key elements. Cloud-based infrastructure hosting to ensure fast loading speed, up-to-date security, and the ability to scale up and down as per changing business needs. Template flexibility to create a unique and personalized online store that aligns with your individual brand identity. Multi-channel support to expand your business presence across various channels and platforms. Integration capabilities with third-party tools and applications to enhance the platform capabilities and ensure smooth processes. Extensive partner and developer network for increased access to more resources, plugins, and themes that foster continuous innovation. Business model versatility for quick and easy adaptation to market trends and experimentation with different approaches. Looking to elevate your e-commerce success with the right platform elements? Talk to us. To learn more about our e-commerce prowess, drop us a line at info@grezit.com.